Hey everyone, my name's Kelsey and I'm a product engineer at TIKI brand. Today in this video we're going to be walking you through how to use the TIKI brand fire pit griddle. Let's get cooking. When looking at the bottom of the griddle, you will notice the ribs. It fits snug on both the TIKI brand patio fire pit or the Reunion fire pit with or without screens. And it comes pre-seasoned, so it's ready for cooking right out of the box. The first step to using your griddle is to get that fire going. You can either grab a TIKI brand wood pack, use traditional firewood, or charcoal. Today, we'll be using one of our wood packs to get that fire going. Whether you're using the patio fire pit or the Reunion fire pit, make sure you grab your included leather gloves. Place the grill grate or the inner griddle in the center of the outer griddle using the removable handle. Allow the griddle to heat for 5 to 10 minutes. Use the removable handle to swap out the grill grate with the inner griddle at any time. Once your food is cooked to your liking, you can remove the grill grate and place it on the included wooden trivet. If you notice the fire is dying down at any point and you aren't done cooking, use the handle to remove the grill grate or inner griddle and add 1 piece of wood or around 10 pieces of charcoal. Once you're finished cooking, very carefully remove the griddle using the leather gloves. Place the griddle on a safe, non-combustible surface. Once the griddle has cooled down, drizzle oil over the cast iron surface. Then, using a clean rag, make sure to cover the entire surface to reseason. Now don't let your evening by the fire end after your meal. Add a TIKI brand wood pack or some more firewood to the fire pit and enjoy. Let's get cooking.